I'll guide you through the 2 definitive ways to see all answers in Google Forms, whether you are the owner analyzing submissions or the student trying to find the answers to a quiz. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Let's start with the official way as the form owner. Open your Google form in the editor. Click the Responses tab at the top to view all submissions. Click the green Sheets icon to export the answers. Navigate to the Summary view and switch to the Individual view. Go to the Settings tab, then Quizzes. Check the Release Grade setting, which controls when respondents can see the answers. Now, let's see the secret way as a quiz taker. Open the Google Form quiz in your browser. Right-click the page and select Inspect to open the browser's developer tools. Navigate to the Source or Console tab. On your keyboard, use the search function, which is Ctrl+F on Windows PC or Command+F on Mac. Search for terms like answer key to locate the correct answer structure. Alternatively, paste a JavaScript code snippet into the console to extract the stored answer key data from the page's memory. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for more Google Forms video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.